only.
We're outside the king's house, one of the king's house. This is where he got married, and this is where he had his honeymoon here. That's what I read. Pretty awesome, huh? It's the king, Elvis Presley. The king. Not unlike your dad. The king!
You guys know this house, or you just?
Marilyn Monroe's old house.
Oh, is that right? See, I didn't know that. Okay, now we go. Smile.
Look at me, pretty girl. It's my Marilyn Monroe right here.
Right. Cute. Only.
Frank Sinatra's house. Lots of pretty killer parties were here, I bet. It's part of the National Register now.
Only.
Jessica Marie Tollefson.
Stop. I do not record that.
She's aspiring to become a professional tennis player, and I'm aspiring to be her manager that never works again.
This is the one that you gotta go after.
Which one, Emily?
That had the career.
Yeah, Emily has the youth, but does she have the drive and ambition, folks? Don't know.
I'm just trying to enjoy my breakfast. Hi.
Hi. As she walks the hallowed grounds where many tennis champions have been made, Indian Wells. Those beautiful white caps, I'm blown away. Look at that. For those that don't know where we are at Indian Wells, which is owned by Larry Ellison, CEO, CTO, Oracle. You may have heard of them. And we're at the practice facility. Jessica's getting a lesson from one of the professional instructors. And we're pretty excited for this. This is pretty cool. Take a peek. It's the main stadium. And there's Jess. She's gonna play tennis with the snow-capped mountains behind her. Wow. She's got a fan. Couple fans here, say hi with her Apple Jacks.
Hey, this is the only breakfast there was.
I know, that's it. That's all they had. I was looking for Fruity Pebbles and Fruit Loops. They didn't have them. Lessons are paying off.
top just coming off.
Blow your fans a kiss. Nice. No. Close. Might be. You want to come back again this week? Yeah. Did you have fun? Yeah, I take it. Yeah, I take it. You had fun.
Yes.
Don't mind me. I'm her social media coordinator.
Right.
No worries.
He's her marketing guy.
I am.
I have one of those myself.
Do you?
I stand.
Married to marketing.
Literally.
It's funny because he's always on it and I'm never on it. In fact, I thought about closing mine down because I'm like, well, what's the point? He puts everything up there.
I'm just a proud.
You're so proud.
I'm just a proud house husband for you.
Yeah.
On your professional career.
Great shush.
Well, thanks, Jay.
You're very welcome, you guys. Nice meeting you.
I'm sure we'll see you again, hopefully.
Enjoy your time out here.
Just finished the practice at Indian Wells. The Jay got it in. She rocked it. She had some fans here, including Emily Corinne. Just got done playing at PC1, which is where all the stud players play before going into the main arena.
Should we go over there?
There she is. How'd you do?
Woohoo!
Ooh, and shopping too. All right. All right. Stadium 1.
Nicole even got a little something something.
Nicole got something? Your
Yeah.
tennis partner?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Palm trees and mountains.
You don't see that every day.
Doesn't seem like a mix.
Hurry up, black. I know.
All right, we're good. Look at the snow behind you and the palm trees. No, thank you. Love wins. Okay. That horse. Piggies. So I'm sitting here waiting for my daughters to go look at swimsuits, and found a new buddy here, and it's trying to just sit here and relax, but somehow this guy next to me is not adhering to the mask policy and the 6 feet social distancing. So may I introduce you to Mr. Albert Einstein? What can I say? We're close, we're buddies.
Did he just teach you the theory of relativity? It's Albert Einstein. Doesn't move much, but he's pretty cool. Say hi. Yeah.
I like it for me.
Look at her. Look at her. Give me that look. Look at that look.
It's cute.
Crew all came back.
It looks nice. I just did not look at one bed.
Look. What do you think, Libby?
Are those real?
See, yeah, those are real sheep, bighorn sheep. That one's eating up there.
They're not.
Pack of hyenas.
Oh, I think those are the wild. I think it's the wild dogs.
Those are hyenas. They're zebras from Africa. Are they sleeping? I don't know what they're doing. And the one's zoning out. One's complaining. It's a camelback.